Welcome to another Activia training video. We're in Excel and we're looking at the use of find and replace to fix some problems with the source data in this spreadsheet. Somebody's entered dates in this date column for these sales orders but used dots instead of forward slashes. The manager wants this with slashes. Excel will like that as well because it will recognise that as a proper date format. So probably what I'm going to do is create an empty sheet so we can work on that and paste back afterwards. Let's take all of this column C data and make a copy onto that sheet. And so we can then press Control H. That's find and replace, the shortcut Control H. And I've pre-entered here find what dots full stop and replace with a forward slash, and looking at the options button, that's all we need to do. Find all. Let's make this window bigger. We see all the results. You can click through, it takes you there. That's great. So I'm going to do replace all. OK. Close that window, double click column A, and we can see that's fixed that particular issue. I'm going to select that data, copy it back over the top of the original data. There we go, and it's recognising those at the top as date format. Let's do the same with delivery address issues, so I'm going to copy that to my working sheet over the top of the other data. Don't need that now. And we've got similar problems here with dots because the system needs really the proper wording. So instead of ST dot it should be street, AVE dot should be avenue, and road instead of RD dot should be road. So I can quickly do my Control H shortcut again, and let's go for ST dot here, replace with street, replace all, change it to AVE dot, replace with avenue, and finally RD dot, replace with road. Close that window and we can see that's fixed the problems here. I could have put replace with street comma. Yeah, that's another option. You can do that after. If I go back in there, if I do find street, replace with street comma. So now I've got things like Mark Street, comma, Enfield. Let's do the others the same way. So go back and find avenue and replace with avenue, comma. And finally road, replace with road, comma. So that's a great way of sorting out data issues. And I'm going to do click in A1 and do Control Shift down arrow, Control C to copy, back onto my working sheet here, Control V, paste over the top, and hit save. So that's a nice little trick there with find and replace to fix issues with your source data in Excel. So see you again on the next Activia training video.